Hi, this is Ratna. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing good. Happy Friendship Day and happy Raksha Bandhan. Let's make chocolate bars to celebrate both. So first we need to make a double boiler. For this we'll add a cup of water to a pot, followed by a stand. And then we can place a heat resistant container above it. With the stove on medium flame, we can add half cup cocoa butter and then half cup sweetened cocoa powder and finally 1/4 cup powdered sugar. After blending it well, we can cook this for 3 to 4 minutes. Once done, we can transfer it to a container or a mold if you have one. We'll tap it few times to get the air bubbles out and place it in the freezer for 1 hour. For milk chocolate, we'll follow the same steps. We will set up a double boiler and add 3/4 cup cocoa butter. To this, we'll add 3/4 cup milk powder and lastly 1/4 cup powdered sugar. We'll cook this for 3 to 4 minutes to get a smooth paste and then transfer it to a mold or a container and freeze it for 1 hour. Both chocolates are ready and I hope you'll really make it. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. That's all in today's segment. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing and subscribing. For channel updates, press the bell icon. See you again in another segment. Until then, take good care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay positive. You have a good day or a good night. Bye.